What's up YouTube? 2010 Ford Fusion. Customers complaining of shaking when braking. I've isolated it as the front pads and rotors. The pads still have a little bit of life on them, but for replacing rotors, you don't want to put old pads with new rotors because you can cause some uneven wear on the pads and some noise as well. So anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so you can make videos like this to make your life easier. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is make sure your steering wheel is on locks. Swing your wheel out, make it easier to get to all your bolts and stuff. Take you a 14 millimeter or a 9/16 will work. Now if that little slide is spinning like that, just grab your pair of pliers, hold it from turning. See if the top's doing the same thing. Alright, now we can take our caliper off. I'm going to lay that to the side right there. Pull out these little spring clips. Now if you didn't get new ones with your brake pads, you can reuse the old ones as long as they're not broke. Hardware. Back on. And if you want to replace the hardware with the new hardware they give you, that's up to you. I've learned that a lot of the aftermarket hardware is garbage, and if this is not in too bad a shape, I'll reuse it. Again, that's your call. I'm just doing what I do, so I'm telling you how I do it. Let's take off this caliper bracket, which is going to be a 15 millimeter. Let me use my big dog here. Set that off to the side here. Now take you a T40. Of course, everything wants to fall. Take off your rotor hold down bolts. Now if that rotor just don't come right off like mine just did, just take you a hammer and smack it a few good times. It should come off after that. Clean our new rotor off. Spray some brake clean on a rag and wipe off that Cosmoline oil. Line up your holes. Alright, thanks. Alright, now grab your new brake pads. I don't think there's an inner or outer on these. Actually, I'm getting ahead of myself. Grab your brake bracket, tongue twister. Snug those down real good. If you're using a ratchet. Alright. These are kind of tricky to get in. Just got to kind of push out on that while pushing them in. Alright. swing your caliper over. Well, I gotta press the piston back first, sorry. I'm working too fast. I need to take a chill pill and slow down a little bit. It's been a crazy morning, so I'm just trying to get things done, man. Alright, it's all the way back. Now if you don't have that brake tool, just take a big old pair of channel locks like that and squeeze it. Some new springs in. Now, try that again. Now if your caliper slides push back nice and smooth like those did, no need to grease them. Alright. Of course, spin. Just like that, y'all. Just pump your brake pedal up until it's nice and hard before you drive it. Reset that piston. That's all you gotta do. It's that simple, y'all. Anyways, y'all have a good day. Y'all check like. Please subscribe. Peace out, YouTube.